Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported Windows build and a Microsoft account. That gives you cloud-linked settings. Once done, press Start, choose Settings, then Gaming to reach the Game Bar pane. Make sure to check Windows Update if an option is missing, because outdated builds hide features. Next, toggle the Xbox Game Bar switch on. This enables the overlay and keyboard shortcuts. You're starting the actual activation now, so the system will recognize captures and broadcasts. Once the game bar is on, configure it to suit your needs. You should set or confirm the keyboard shortcut like Win+G so you can open the overlay quickly. Then open captures to enable or disable background recording, set audio mix, and choose capture quality. Higher quality uses more disk space. Also make sure microphone and controller access are granted in privacy and devices so your voice and input work when recording or streaming. These choices affect performance and file size. You're almost done. Test the setup by launching a game and pressing Win+G to bring up the overlay. Record a short clip to verify audio and capture. If the game bar doesn't appear, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back into your account, because many issues clear with a refresh. If problems persist, reset the Game Bar app or reinstall via optional features. This often fixes corrupted components. Remember to check privacy permissions and drivers if recordings still fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.